I am Sohail Ikrar, and in this video I'm going to walk you through my end-to-end real-time crypto sentiment analysis project. Cryptocurrencies markets are extremely volatile and prices often move not just because of technical indicators or fundamentals, but because of public sentiment driven by news and media coverage. To address this, I designed up and built a scalable cloud-based data engineering and NLP pipeline that ingests live crypto news, process it in real time, performs crypto sentiment analysis, and visualizes meaningful insights through an interactive dashboard. So, the main problem I wanted to solve was the lack of structured sentiment insights in the crypto space. Thousands of crypto related articles and headlines are published every day, and it's practically impossible for traders or analysts to manually track and interpret this information in real time. Most traditional market indicators fail to capture the emotional and psychological impact of news. So, the core question behind this project was how to convert unstructured news data into structured, actionable sentiment and insights that can support faster and better decision making. So, at the high level architecture, as I am showing you right now in my screen, this project follows a modern data engineering design which is medallion architecture, which includes bronze, silver, and gold layers. And this system begins with real time data ingestion where crypto related news and prices are fetched from external APIs. And afterwards, we are feeding this data to Python producer where we are making up minor tweaks into that data and then delivering it to the GenAI model, which is Gemini 2.5 Flash, to get the desired outcomes from that data. And afterwards, we are sending this data to Azure event hubs and passing it to Databricks where we are performing our process transformation. And post this transformation, we are storing this data into Delta Lake and using the kill and fill architecture, and then sending the relevant data to the Snowflake data warehouse and storing it there. And then we are connecting our Power BI dashboard to that gold layer of Snowflake data warehouse. So if you want to go through each and every aspect of this project and code, you can always go to the GitHub repository and read the README file so that you will have a in-depth knowledge about it. But for now, I'll give you a quick go through and tell you how will it work in a nutshell. So as you can see, this is our crypto streaming transformation line. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna run this streaming here. This is our all transformation code. As I said before, you can always go to the GitHub and read it through what are the transformation logics which we have used in the bronze layer, in the silver layer, and in the gold layer. So as you can see, our streaming is running successfully, and so now we will go to our code and we will start sending the data from our code. And now, as I have triggered the producer.main file, and as you can see, the logs fetching crypto news is from crypto panic attempt number 1. I have tried to make this project as fault tolerant as it can be, and I've so it says that it has fetched and cleaned 18 news articles. Now it is trying to hit the crypto prices API, and soon you will see that also here in the logs. See, so attempt to fetch the price data, and it has fetched 15 cryptocurrencies price, and later on it has sent 19 events to news and 15 events to price. So now let's get back to our, so here if I'm going to show you, see, you can see the new tweak here which is showing that data has passed through the event hub successfully, and now in the bronze layer if you can see it's running. So our streaming is running successfully here, and sooner you will see the data over here, which, see, this is the data which we have get, this is the live data which we are getting from the API, and we have made the minor tweakings in the producer file, and then we have passed this data in our database using event hubs. As you can see over here, we have all data. I have converted this data into data frames, and you can see this in a structured way. And then later on we will try to put some transformation logics into this data, and for now we are storing this data into delta tables, as you can see here. So afterwards I will run the silver layer, if you can see. So the silver layers, we are making more major transformations in this data, and again storing it into the delta tables. So as you can see now that we have one table which has all the data relevant to price, the symbol price, the coin rank, its volume, the percent change in 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, the market's timestamp, and all which we have added in our transformation logic. And this is also one of the category which we have added using our transformation logics in silver layer. And as you can see now we have better data, and this is the data, this is a prediction which we get from our GenAI models. So here we can see we can use GenAI in as responsible and in better ways as possible. This is the sentiment scores which GenAI has provided us, and you can see this is the data which we have transformed is coming from GenAI model. And now we have saved this data again into the delta table, and afterwards I will try to trigger the gold layer. And what this layer will do is that it will aggregate the latest data and make it into one major table which will be very essential for our business outcomes, and then store it into our snowflake. As you can see, this is a table which we have got at the end which will be relevant to our project, which is let me walk you through it. And then we will store this data into our snowflake. Now we have got the latest data in our snowflake. Let's go there and see if that we have that or not. So this is one snowflake job which I have created. What it will do, it is based on the kill and fill architecture. Here the previous data of crypto analysis table will be removed, and the new latest data will be there. As you can see, I'll try to run this job and see. Now we have the latest data of our business outcome. So as you can see, I'll walk you through this data. We have XRP symbol, the coin name is XRP, its price, its rank, what kind of coin is it blue chip, is it mid cap, is it low cap, and what its daily score, and what kind of trade signal we are getting from it. So it's a value buy set. So the prices are in a bit dip, so we can buy. It's a value buy deal. And this is the top headline related to this coin and other relevant data. So as you can see, there is one daily score, but the trade signal is hold neutral. We have defined this in our transformation logics. How we are making it certain that we need to put the value by trade signal or hold on neutral. And see here it's a strong sell signal. So Bitcoin, if you have Bitcoin today, you should sell. It's an indicator because the daily score of it is -3. So in a loosely manner I can say that we have three bad news of Bitcoin today, and the prices are also going down today, so that's why it's asking us to strong sell. It's the same case with the strong sell with the Dogecoin and Ethereum also. So as you can see now, if you have seen the our snowflake layer also, which is this is the gold layer table. And now afterwards I can move directly to the Power BI. So here our table is connected already. Now I will just simply refresh the data, and you can see the insights over here. So it says working on it, and once the data will update, and now you can see the data. So top ranked coin is XRP today. This is the only coin which comes with the strong value by signal. As you can see, the news of it, its average daily score. All the other coins have a negative daily score except this one. So this is the top ranked coin of today, and you can see other things also, which is this is the volume by coin name chart. This is the percent change of last 24 hours versus symbol. The SRP has the maximum percentage in negative, it means the prices has gone lower for XRP, for Doge, for Bitcoin. So every coin the prices has dropped, as you can see, but the XRP has the maximum price drop and the news is also positive. So these are the insights which you can have from this dashboard. So that's what our goal was when we started this project, and I'm happy to announce that our project had comes to an end and we have created a useful, insightful Power BI dashboard using this project, which is live, and you can all see it in our GitHub repository as well as in the readme file of this project. I will put every description and every links to the description. Kindly go through it, and please let me know in the comments how did you like it. Thank you so much for your time.